Hi everyone, welcome back to TYG Goes Local. Today we're going to visit Med Science, a women-owned business in Henrico, Virginia. Let's check it out, meet the owners and learn how science could be entertaining and fun. Med Science is a company that offers science programs for kids. Their mission is to inspire children through science. Hi Barbara, what do we have here today?
Hi Tatiana, we have a really fun experiment where we are going to use some dry ice and we are going to capture the gas that comes off the dry ice in a bubble. Do you want to see it?
Let's do it.
All right. I have some water with dish soap in it here, and I'm just going to put some dry ice inside. Now, I can do something really fun with this. Would you like to give me a high five?
Oh, wow! This is Anastasia, the co-owner. I see some glitter here. What are we going to do with it?
We are actually going to make some slime. It only takes 2 ingredients to make slime. The first ingredient is polyvinyl alcohol, or PVA. And the second ingredient is sodium tetraborate. Tetraborate serves as a cross-linker for PVA, and it kind of like connects the links in PVA together to make slime. So you can kind of see we're already starting to form some slime right here. But to make it just a little more fun, we're going to add some glitter to our slime. Here we go.
Hi Tatiana, so I have one more really fun thing I'd like to show you today. I have this static electricity generator, which is also called a Van de Graaff. Do you want to see some cool things I can do with it?
I do.
Okay, so I don't know if you know, but static is in clouds and it is actually creates lightning. And I can create some lightning here for you in our room. Do you want to see?
Sure.
Okay. So the noise you're hearing is the thunder, and then you can see our lightning. Now we're telling the static that we want it to go in one direction. Do you want to see what happens when I let it go on its own?
Yeah.
All right. So we can't see the protons and neutrons that are creating static, but we can watch what they do. And I will show you with these little pans what the static wants to do if I don't give it any instructions. So, I know that you have had some experience with static in your life, maybe when you're brushing your hair or cuddling with a woolly blanket, but maybe you've never had static told to pay attention to you. So, do you want me to tell some static to pay attention to you?
Why not?
Okay. Okay, Tatiana, so we are all set to tell the static electricity to pay attention to you. So I'm going to ground it and turn it on. When you're ready, go ahead and put both hands on. Now, shake your head yes and no. Yes and no. There you go. Wonderful.
Thank you so much for having us here today. I have 2 kids and I always look for places I can take them to, places that will get them excited. Could you tell me what kind of programs do you offer and what makes kids get excited about Med Science?
Yeah, so we have a lot of different programs. We have enrichment programs, we have birthday parties, summer camps, and we even have kids' nights. So one of the great things about our programs is we make science fun by doing a lot of hands-on things. We get very messy here.
Kids love the hands-on component of math science. When I was in school, I disliked science a lot because what our teachers did, they just gave you a paragraph and they told you just memorize it and then do the test. We're doing completely opposite here. We make sure that kids get excited about science, and we do it, like Barbara said, through hands-on activities, through connecting science to real life. For example, one of our classes is centered around solving a crime of stone cookie recipe. So we play forensic scientists, we do have meteorology, making slime always gets kids excited as well.
That's wonderful. Do you have any fun activities during Halloween time or maybe during winter time?
Oh yes, we actually have a Halloween party coming up in October, and the kids will come, we'll do a show, we'll do some crafts and make some little science projects with them. And it's a great fun party where parents can kind of step away for a minute, and then we'll entertain the kids, and then they'll come home with all their science experiments.
It's a win-win.
Yes.
It's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Tatiana. Reach out to Math Science to book your next activity for your children. And for all real estate needs, call the Yetman Group, 804 New Home.